Do you ever wonder what the future holds for technology? Well, the year is 2024 and we're about to dive into the top 6 fun and exciting gadgets of this year. Buckle in and prepare to be amazed. First on our list, we have the QuantumLens VR Glasses. Now, these aren't your average virtual reality glasses. With an ultra-high resolution display and immersive haptic feedback, you're not just playing games anymore. You're living them. Picture yourself in a world where you can dive into epic adventures or add a dash of excitement to your virtual meetings. For tech enthusiasts out there, this is the thrill you've been waiting for. Coming in at number 2, we introduce the NeuraLink MindSync. This piece of tech is truly mind-blowing. It gives you the power to control your gadgets with your thoughts. Imagine scrolling through your favorite playlists or playing air guitar without lifting a finger. The fun is literally at your fingertips. Or should we say your mind? Next up, we present the NanoDrone X1. This pocket-sized drone is packed with advanced stabilization and obstacle avoidance features. Picture yourself capturing epic moments from new heights or organizing drone races with your friends. The sky's the limit when it comes to the fun you can have with the NanoDrone X1. Moving on to number 4, we have the Zensleep Pro, a biometric sleep monitor that adds a touch of fun to your slumber. Who said sleep can't be entertaining? With adult lullabies included, you're in for some sweet dreams. At number 5, we present the HyperDrive Quantum Charger. This gadget charges your devices in a flash. Just imagine the look on your friend's face when they see how fast their device charges. It's all about injecting a bit of excitement into your everyday routine.